I am Lisa Walker, and I'm doing my final project for CIT 260, which is Java. I'm going to share my project with you, and I hope I can do this right. Okay, so the first thing is static variables and non-static variables. Static variables are something that allows it to be called before the object has been created. Static variables are kind of more global variables. It changes the effects of the whole class, and they're called through the whole class. Non-static variables are used on a per instant basis and used by the object it belongs to. I have a good example of this on line 71 of Game Control Java. Like this is a static variable, keep current game, and you can use that in the whole class. You can save your game at any time. A non-static variable is create new game. And you can only do that in this instance. You can't create a new game at any time. The second thing is using lists. We have used a list in the location type Java. This is an enum list. These are constant. These do not change. That's why we've used them. We are trying to, those will be the same throughout. We have on the player Java, we have a list that we've used. And we use an array list here because it is changing. You can make changes to it. You can add and remove items. That's why we have used that list there. Our we have used a loop here, number 3. We've used a loop here. We use a 2-dimensional loop here to create a table. So what it will do is it will loop through the rows and the columns, but we start our rows on the first column, which is 0, and it will go through the rows, which we've set to 5, and then it will go through one at a time. And that will create our table. And that is why we have the for loop there. We are throwing exceptions here in the movement control. We have our move west exception here. And if they're on the edge of the map, we throw the exception that they cannot move any further west. And we do that as a group rather than as entered in every individual coordinate. It really saves a lot of time. Number 5, the best explanation I have found about byte versus character streams is that byte streams operate on binary data. The parent classes of the byte streams are input stream and output stream. And then character streams operate on textual data. The parent classes of character streams are reader and writer. Okay, number 5, or 6, I guess. I created this report. I didn't really loop it over anything because Kelly and Gina were able to do that with this, but I created a report here, and it's called Created by Text. Let me see if I can show you the report as it prints out. That is the report that's printed out. I made some columns for it. And then our game. Let me get you back to the game. Oh, did I close it? Okay, we'll play the game a little bit. It's really been a fun game to create. I get to enter my name, and I'll start a new game. I'll view map so I can just see where I am. I'm gonna go. I'll show you something kind of fun that Kelly did. South. Where am I on the view map again? Okay, south. Okay, we've hit a rodent. The rodent is 5 feet long. They're half as tall as they are long. So I'm gonna say 2. Oh, I lost. And prepare to be eaten. And then we have this cute little rodent that shows up. We haven't figured out how to do how it exits the game yet when we lose. So we have to do that. But let me see. If I go east, I can pick up an item. And I found a dart. It will be added to your backpack. And let's see, view map. Oh, I have a lot of rodents. I was hoping to show you a flame spurt or anything. Well, I think, let's try going south. Oh, there's another one. 7 feet long. I'm gonna say 4, and I jumped over the rodent. Let's go south again. Another rodent. So it seems like it's working really well, and I will quit the game. You've got to play the game a lot too. But that's it for my project. I've really enjoyed working on it, and thank you for all your help. Bye.